Hello, my name is Dr. Chris Quigley. I'm here with Miss Elizabeth Gibby, and she's had a great story to tell us about some experience with a very nasty disc injury. So, Elizabeth, what was going on with you?
Yes, so I was experiencing a lot of pain and spending a lot of time on the floor. I wasn't able to walk or drive easily, specifically a disc injury in my lower back.
They suck, don't they?
They do, yeah.
Now, how was it affecting your life?
In every way possible, every way imaginable. I couldn't do any of the things that I like or need to do without excruciating pain.
And so, what do we recommend for you?
So, spinal decompression, laser therapy, and regular chiropractic adjustments.
And how much fun are you having now?
Too much to measure. I don't even think about the days when I was in excruciating pain because I'm having so much fun.
Right. And you had a great ski season this past year, right?
Terrific ski season. Looking forward to all kinds of activities this summer.
And
Really.
you drive a lot for work, and that's a lot better now, too, right?
Absolutely, absolutely, yes.
And what would you say to someone who's got a bad disc injury like that?
Go see Dr. Chris. Seriously, go see Dr. Chris. Talk to him about spinal decompression, laser therapy. It will change your life.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much.
Pleasure. Thank you.